What would probably happen if the computer program that needed to create blogs were very expensive? Almost no one would use computers. People would read more books. Fewer people would create blogs. Everyone would be willing to spend more. Which is a likely reason someone might want to start a blog? To have a private journal, to express his or her feelings, to learn how to grow African violets, to learn about computer programming. The first sentence is, what is the odd name for a very popular activity that has taken the internet by storm? What does it mean to take something by storm? To remain mysterious, to describe in great detail, to become important suddenly, to destroy violently. Which of the following is a statement of opinion? There are more than 8 million blogs. Some businesses support blogs at work. Many blogs have links to email. Clearly, not all blogs are created equal. How do news sites and blogs differ? Blogs are often not accurate. News sites have a plain display. Blogs do not contain news. News sites are more interesting. Which is a valid generalization based on the selection? Everyone likes blogs. Most blogs contain false information. Most blogs belong to individuals. Many people enjoy creating blogs. Which would be an effective way to check the following statement of fact? The computer program that is needed to create a blog is either free or very cheap. Would you consult an almanac, look up blog in the dictionary, read an article about interesting blogs, interview a person who has created a blog? What is the third paragraph mostly about? The history of blogging, how quickly the number of blogs is growing, the many uses of blogs, why businesses support blogs. Look at the graph. What will probably happen when information for the next month is added? The line will go up sharply. The line will continue to be straight. The line will go down. The line will go all the way down to 0. The title is What's New on the Internet? What is the best alternative title for the selection? 8 million and counting. The basics of blogging. Just the facts. Dear Diary. What was the author's main purpose for writing the selection? To convince readers to blog, to discuss uses of the internet, to entertain readers with excerpts from blogs or pieces from blogs, to explain the popularity of blogging.